Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you best photo logo for your Apple device. First go to App Store, then type and search Vault. Then you can see Vault hide photos and video application. Download it. It will get few minutes to download. After complete the download, open your Vault application. Click on OK. Then click Start. Then enter 4-digit passcode. Click on Write. Then re-enter your passcode. Then click on Write. Now you can see this interface. Click on Back button. We can upload photos and videos to this vault. I am click on Photos. Then click on the plus button. Click on OK. Then you can see your photo gallery. Then go to camera roll and select photos that you want to upload to your photo locker. I am selecting my thumbnails. Then click on Import. Now you can see photos are importing. After import your photos to photo locker, the imported photo automatically delete on your photo gallery. Click on Delete. Click on OK. Now you can see my imported photos right here. I am click on Back. If you want to upload more photos, click on plus button. Then you can upload more photos. I am going to my menu. Then open again my Vault. Now you can see it's need passcode. I will try a fake passcode. Fake password not accepted. If you entered correct passcode, it automatically log into photo locker. Now I am going to my camera roll. Now you can see imported photo are not here. I hope this video is very useful you guys. See you next video. Thank you.